Hello everyone, this is Happsters. How are you all? How are you folks? Today I am making some steak salmon and a little bit of side greens. With my steak salmon, I put my Himalayan sea salt. I love this thing. This is my go-to seasoning. Then a little bit of pepper, red pepper flakes, garlic salt, just garlic, and a little bit of olive oil into the pan. Let's stir that a little bit. I use my pan a lot, so it's a little bit darker now, whatever. But yeah, just give it a little bit of just sort of pan fry it. The steak. Yeah, this pan is perfect for just these two little steaks. And it won't take long to cook anyway. That's one thing about salmon, it doesn't take long to cook the meat. So yeah, that's for dinner. Just came home from work and gotta make dinner. I always have to make dinner. It's better than going out all the time, I think, for me anyways. But yeah, my steak salmon with my Himalayan sea salt. Oh, that's a pink Himalayan sea salt. Yes, that's a good one. Anyway, I thought I'd show you what I'm making today. So, thank you all for watching. I hope you guys are doing okay, alright, wherever you are in the world. Have a nice evening or morning or day, wherever you are. Bye now.